Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Sahil Adeem, and I'm very excited to announce that the Awakening Tour, inshallah, is coming to England from January to February. I'll be traveling from London to Manchester, Bradford, Newcastle, Birmingham, Scotland, amongst many other cities. We'll be covering this tour for Muslim psychology, the current worldview, and the problems that we as parents, we as individual Muslims face, and how to tackle these sort of things through a superior psychology. I'll be covering youth development programs, I'll be covering, inshallah, parenting programs, and most of all, these grand events. The purpose of Awakening Tour is to connect everybody together, so please make sure you don't miss out on these dates. I will be holding different sessions, different topics in different cities. Inshallah, I'll see you in England in early January, mid-January to mid-February. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.